Today on Screeching Monkey, Particle Physics 101. Seriously, people, it's not like brain surgery. Mankind's quest to understand the mysteries of the universe have been going on since the dawn of time. Now we have spent billions of dollars, some 50 billion or more, just to build one experiment. The Large Hadron Collider in Switzerland has cost a fortune. The LHC is a 27-kilometer particle accelerator. It is used to smash subatomic particles together so that we may analyze all of the wreckage, thereby finding even smaller and smaller elemental particles. Why, we have spent over $13 billion alone just to identify one subatomic particle, the Higgs boson. Recently, we have discovered that there are some branches of these particles. The mass particles, made up of leptons and quarks, and the force particles, made up of what we call bosons. The W boson, the Z boson, and the more rare Higgs boson. Now, in a furthering quest to understand how the universe works, we have theorized a new particle, the one that gives us the property of proximal stupidity. This particle has been named by the physicists the boson boson. The boson boson is a force particle, and what it does is it creates proximal stupidity. You know, people, the kind of stupidity where you're a reasonably intelligent human and you go into a room, perhaps a theater, perhaps a restaurant, maybe a business meeting, and there's a bunch of idiots there. And before long, you're thinking like they are. Your IQ has dropped from, shall we say, 120 so, down to about 85. And just how do you know you've been exposed to an unhealthy level of boson bosons? Why, you start to do stupid things. You begin to watch wrestling on a regular basis at home. You actually start to believe that the people who claim the earth is flat actually have a point. You stand in line at the fast food restaurant and you wait for 15 minutes like everyone else to get up to the counter. And then all of a sudden, the boson particle strikes again. It reaches out, it grabs a hold of your mind, and you haven't got a bloody clue what you're going to order, and you need to see a menu. Begin to take political advice from musicians and movie actors such as U2 and Robert De Niro. You make fashion choices based upon what the Kardashians are wearing this week. Your diet is influenced by infomercials. You come on a wreck on the opposite side of the median strip and all the traffic immediately slows down, although it has nothing to do with traffic flow in your direction. Although the stupid people are in other cars, their boson particles reach out and grab a hold of you, and the next thing you know, you're driving 2 kilometers an hour yourself. The concept of proximal stupidity was first recognized when people started buying Amway products and joining ridiculous pyramid schemes. The latest manifestation would be that of buying Starbucks coffee. Seriously, people, you need to buy an $8 cup of coffee to make yourself feel good. And the moral of this episode is, bosons are real particles. Try and stay away from them as much as you can.